Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Hidden Gems, that's right guys, Hidden Gems is back. And I'm in Wilmington, Delaware. Found this place cooking up some great breakfast sandwiches and serving up some of the best customer service. Joey T's, sausage and more.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday, a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
So we work here for Tuesday through Friday, 6:30 to 12, and then Saturdays 8 to 12. And then we're off on Sundays and Mondays. Same menu every day. We do hash browns, tater tots also, loaded tater tots, a little bit of bacon on it.
Nice.
Habanero sauce, queso blanco cheese, the white cheese. We usually put that on there. I do, unfortunately, I don't have it with me today. We do a homemade cheesy potato. Shredded hash browns with cheddar cheese, some other secret ingredients. That's really good homemade.
Here at Joey T's, you just never know who's going to show up.
Ahoy there, Joey!
Joey T, ahoy!
How you be, brother? We're looking to get 2 sausage, egg, and cheese this morning before our festival.
2 sausage, egg, and cheese for you fellas, huh?
Absolutely.
All right. We got 2 of them for 13. Anything else for you guys?
Dittos.
I'm good. You good? All right.
Cheesy potatoes, forget about it. Absolutely amazing. Fast and friendly service, guys. I'm telling you, no matter how long the line is, your order will be up shortly.
Something right here, baby. Some cheesy potatoes. Warm them bad boys up, huh?
And the way they do their cheese, forget about it. Nobody does it like Joey T's. Give me the Joey T special, my friend.
We cook our eggs down. We don't leave them running. It's gonna be a fried egg. However, we cook down the yolk. So we're gonna flip it over here, see what you got. Still talking to me. We don't want no talking chicken. You know what I mean?
So if somebody wants a runny egg, you do a runny egg?
We don't do it. No.
No runny egg.
No runny egg. Because most of our customers, to see, they take it, they get in their car. It's kind of a takeout thing. Gotcha. So in the food trailer here, we don't want you biting the sandwich and getting all over you for one. So here we go. Look, it's Scrapple. Got some good stuff right there. People ask for that Scrapple. Woo, boy. Yeah.
And what kind of Scrapple you use?
Man, that's the Joey T secret. I can't tell you what brand it is or what model that is, but I can't tell you the make and model of that, but it's some good stuff.
So is this one your #1 sellers or what?
Actually not. The actual sausage, egg, and cheese is our #1. This is a really close second. We went through about 30 pounds of Scrapple today. Just to kind of give you an idea. This is the mango, habanero, pineapple sauce with some other ingredients here. This is as sweet and spicy. We call it Joey.
Now this is a secret recipe.
This is too, yes. From a friend of mine and I make this up at the commissary back in our kitchen. But this is a secret.
He's got a guy.
And I got a guy. We make this up a little bit on the side. If I tell you, I might, hey.
Hey, oh.
So then we got the spicy mayos. We make a little spicy, homemade spicy mayo right here too. That's actually really good. A lot of people get this too. So that's the 2 sauces. This is the Joey T red sauce right here. Typical red sauce. Look at that. Look at this guy right here. Look at him. Man, Joey T, you're hard. Frankie Meatball, you're hard. All right, here we go. Ooh, boy. Comes American cheese. Now here comes the fire, baby. Here comes the fire, baby. Here we go.
This is the Joey T special.
This is what we do here. We melt this down like a grilled cheese sandwich, though. We melt it down real good. Take the cold out. Came out of the refrigerator, technically. You know what I mean? Melt it down.
It's like a cream brulee.
And we're gonna get it though. We're gonna get it right here.
Let's see what you got. Open that bad boy up. Oh, that. Nice piece of Scrapple. Look at that egg. Perfectly cooked. Hey?
Yeah, look at that. Here you go. Take a bite of that real quick.
I like that crispy crunch. It's got that crispy crunch. Scrapple has a really nice flavor to it.
You got that spice in there, a little spicy. It's not your plain old Scrapple, man. It's got some spice in there. Yes, sir. So take a little bit of this on there. This the homemade.
So now this is your pineapple habanero?
Pineapple habanero and mango. Mango, habanero, and pineapple on that one. So, I'll grab you a napkin over here. What do you think of that one, huh?
That is
homemade
a good sauce. Oh, absolutely.
So pineapple, mango, habanero, some other ingredients. That's that's the trade secret right there. Spicy mayo sauce for you. Homemade spicy mayos. A lot of people do this on the Scrapple also.
Now this is another one of your
another
core
homemade
sauces.
Yep. Take a little bite of that bad boy there. What do you think? That's how we do it.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Either one, you know what I mean? Either one,
Oh, yeah.
homemade. So with the spicy Scrapple and that mixture is just,
Oh, yeah.
just killer. Yeah. Just a little bit, you know what I mean? A little bit of hot sauce on there for you. Cause you
Now,
all
is
know
that regular hot sauce or is that?
that's a Joey T's red sauce. That's all.
Okay,
That's all,
okay.
That's all we call that. We don't even say anything more than just a Joey T's on the menu.
So nothing straight out the box.
No, we add a little something,
Oh,
something to everything.
100%.
Whether it's love.
Everything is made from
Oh,
scratch.
unless you got plain ketchup, plain mustard.
Right, but I'm talking about your sauces.
Yeah.
All your sauces are jacked up.
Yes. Little
Not-
something, little something,
Little something, little bit,
little
little bit.
So that's,
Good job,
boom,
man.
so that's the Scrapple. This is the sausage, also from the same company. Delaware, it's a Delaware company, Delaware Provisions Company. However, it comes in a coil for us, how we cut all these down. But a lot of people just think, you know, we just cut it down, we don't do anything else until we do a little something to it while it's sitting back at the house.
Okay.
That's the trade secret. So the way people get it, we're gonna cook down another egg. Most of the time people get a sausage, egg, what they call sausage, egg, and cheese. Now with the sausage, egg, and cheese with that, we're doing a cheddar cheese, a liquid cheddar cheese.
Okay.
So we deep fry this also. So it's not on the griddle, something different. Most people are familiar with sausage on the griddle. We actually deep fry this. The ends right here will be real nice and crispy.
yeah.
Real crispy. They'll be nice and crispy. You know, it'll be dark through the middle here, and then obviously this other end will be crispy because we cut it. So here we go. All right.
So were you always into cooking? Is this
No.
what you do?
No, actually,
No?
no. Retired state trooper from the state of Delaware here.
Nice.
Been retired since 2019. This was just an idea. It wasn't really a dream per se. Just had this idea that a breakfast food truck would work. I knew this area. I grew up in this area, Wilmington. We're located right outside the town of Newport. The actual address is like 1401 East Newport Pike, which is just outside the town of Newport, close to 95. Right, look at that. Nice and crispy, dunk it down that fryer. Look at that, huh? Look at that. There's a staple here, what a lot of people get, what they call sausage, egg, and cheese. We call it the SEC, or my buddy calls it a little bit of vitamin SC, or SE and C. Sausage, egg, and cheese. A little bit of cheddar cheese on there for you, a little cheddar cheese. That's what we do. Look at that little cheddar cheese on that bad boy.
Nice and crispy.
Here we go. Wait till you get, just wait for this, right? Wait for this. You gotta take a little love right there by itself. Now.
This looks like something you really don't need any sauce on.
Now, the guys do it, they like the, a lot of people like the spicy mayos on there. We're gonna take the spicy mayo again on this.
Oh my God.
We're gonna dock you up right here with this little spicy mayo piece.
Joe, that sausage, forget about it.
Huh?
Oh my God.
A little different, right?
That's
Little different.
love right there, my friend.
You know what you're thinking of that with the spicy mayo.
I'm gonna go up like that, right?
Put the chicken
Is that how to
wing,
go?
big chicken wing up. Ha! Look at that. Huh?
That mayo. Wow. Now sausage.
Combinations, all combinations. There's all combination, right? We take the chill out of the cheese real quick. Heat it up so it's nice and hot, but it almost makes, like I said, makes it like a grilled cheese sandwich. That's one of the other reasons I like to do it. Just puts nice and hot. You know?
Yes. What's your number one seller? Is it the sausage?
Right here.
I was going to guess.
Sausage, yeah. Sausage.
That sausage is amazing.
Sausage. That's with nothing on it. So
That sausage is amazing.
that's with
amazing.
American cheese. A lot of people get American. Normally we serve it with just cheddar cheese, but people can
Right.
get American cheese on it too.
Let me tell you about this sausage. Huh. Forget it. You ain't getting sausage like this anywhere but Joey T's. Let me tell you.
Yeah,
This is good
appreciate
stuff, man.
Here we go. Little flip.
Can you stretch it apart?
No, I just chop this a little bit. This, folks, right here is the game changer. We're about ready to do with this roll right here. This is the game changer for the steak, egg, and cheese that Joey T does right here. We're going to take this right here. We're going to deep fry this roll. We're going to sit it down in here for a couple seconds. We're going to let that deep fry.
So this is a steak, egg, and cheese sandwich.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going to get ready to do it right here.
Joey T style.
We take that roll.
Fried bun, huh?
Wait till you take this right here. That's like a glazed donut. Look at that right there. Look at that.
This ain't always on your menu. This is a special.
This is a Tuesday, Wednesday special.
Oh, Tuesday, Wednesday special. Right now, it's looking pretty special. He's deep frying the bread.
Take it over here. We're gonna put this
different.
little American cheese and a little ketchup on there for him. Boom. We're gonna slap that down like that for a minute. Look at that cheese is melting. Look at it getting ready to drip off of there. Woo! We're gonna take it right over here. Frankie Meatball. Here we go. We're gonna give it a little flip. Look at this thing right here. Look at that thing of beauty. Look at that. Huh? Look at that sandwich. Look at that. Look at that meat in there, cheese. Let me know what you think of that bad boy right there, Frankie Meatball.
So what else should I bite it from?
Oh, either end. Don't matter. Just don't bite it in the middle. She's a little warm, but that's okay, right? Look at the steam coming off that thing, huh? Tell me one more time. What do you think of that, huh? What do you think of that? What do you think? Different, right? Different?
That deep fried roll, definitely a game changer, man.
Yes, sir.
Definitely a game changer. Wow. Really good, guys.
Something different, right?
Good job, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Tuesdays and
Wednesdays.
Tuesdays
For
and
now,
Wednesdays.
folks, it's coming soon, full time at Joey T's.
oh my God, look at that roll. Look at that roll.
So again, folks, we're at 1401 East Newport Pike, just outside the town of Newport in Delaware here. Tuesday through Friday, 6:30 to 12, and Saturdays are 8 to 12. We close at 12 o'clock. If you ain't see us by 12, we're not here. We're gone. So again, Tuesday through Friday, 6:30 to 12, Saturday 8 to 12, 1401 East Newport Pike, just outside the town of Newport, not too far from 95 in the area of Wilmington. Thanks.
Guys, I gotta tell you, my man, great job.
Thank you.
Love the sausage, love the sauce. So if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, check out my guy, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers around. And I gotta tell you, every road leads somewhere. And this road led me to Joey T's. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.